Bestow versus Haven Life. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am going to compare your favorite life insurance companies out there, different platforms that will really help you with your life insurance, and I will tell you about their different, criterias and how you can actually determine that how much you are going to get or how much you have to pay. Everything you need to know about these insurance plans. So let's get started. Up first, we have Haven Life. Haven Life is one of the very easiest and affordable, life insurance plan out there. So it's really easy to kind of like get your insurance online nowadays, and Haven Life really helps you with that. If you are, looking for life insurance for your kids and you want to get a reasonable affordable plan, and then you also are looking for the easy way, because we do not want to kind of like get into the hassle of documentation and the difficulties to kind of like get a life insurance. So what you have to do is you can simply come to havenlife.com and you will land on this platform right here. Now, they also have given their number right here. If you need any help at any time of the process, you can simply give them a call from here. So what happens is you can simply sign up for your Haven Life. You simply apply now, or you can simply go ahead and check your price first before, applying for an application. How to check your price? Simply click on check your price, and then you simply have to add information in order to check the pricing for your Haven Life. So there are three steps you have to follow, and then you will be able to check out your price. So the first one is going to be, where do you live? You have to add your state in order to kind of like get an idea. So I'm going to simply add my state right here. Let's go with New York, and then I will simply click on next. After that, please provide your personal information, and that is going to be man or woman. So I'm going with a woman. Then we have, when is your date of birth? Well, you can see this is a restriction. You must be between age 18 to 64 to qualify for the coverage. If you are younger than 18, then you cannot apply for this, and then if you are older than 64, you cannot apply. So I'm gonna add my date of birth right here. You will simply add your, so let's just go with a random date of birth, or you will have to actually provide your real information, of course. So I have added my date of birth right here. And then we are going to add our health rate. Is it excellent, good, or fair? So whatever your health rate is right now, you will simply go with that. So for now, I would say that, because if you are a young person, you think that you do not have any major issues, then you can simply go with excellent, because that's okay. And then we have a good. If you are between your 30s to your 50s, and you think that you do have some problems, then you can simply go for good. And then of course fair, if you have any problem or any stuff like that. So for now, I think excellent is okay. Then we have, do you use tobacco, cigarettes, or nicotine containing product? This is important. So if you do, you will simply go for yes. If you do not, you will simply go with no. And then we're going to simply click on next. The next step is going to be, choose a term life insurance policy that is right for you. That how many years you are looking for it, like how long do you want your coverage for? So you will simply go for whatever years you are looking for. For example, 10 years, 15 years, 20, or 30. So let's just say that I want the insurance for 20 years. I want a 20-year plan. And then we have the amount. How many what's your estimated amount you're looking for, or an amount you are kind of like hoping for. So we have 100,000, we have 150, 200, and it kind of like increases. So let's go with a reasonable one. So if I go with the 151, okay, so let's just go with maybe the most cheapest one, if you're looking for a way to kind of like to get the most cheaper one. So if I go with this 100,000, or 150. Okay, let's go with 150. So this is what it is going to be, and then the maximum allowance coverage is now going to be 3000, the double of what I have entered, right? So I will simply click on calculate, and now Haven Life will calculate everything for me to kind of give me an idea that what is going to be my rate. And my estimated rate is $10 per month. So this is actually pretty reasonable, and that's really affordable, right? And I will get a 20 years policy based on 150,000. So it depends on you. Now I have an idea that what I want. This is why I think Haven Life is really, really good platform to kind of like get your life insurance, and to kind of like get into this process, because it's really easy now. Before I applied for the process, I know that this is what I will have to go for. This is my estimated rate. This is going to be my based on a 20-year policy. So now I can simply click on apply now for Haven term, and then it will take me to the next step. So once you have calculated, right after that, you simply sign off with your email address and set up a password to kind of like get into the process. If we talk about different products, then you will be getting, different life insurances. They have Haven Term, they have Haven Simple. So you can just go with that, or Haven Disability as well. Then we have Age Up too. So you can choose any of these. Then you can simply sign up. And once you sign up, then you will be able to apply. You will simply check all the criterias. You will get all the information you need to get your life insurance. Now let's check out bestow.com, and let's check out what are we getting on Bestow. So what you have to do is simply come to bestow.com, and you will land on this platform right here. Bestow is actually also a very famous life insurance out there, life insurance plan providers out there. So what you have to do is they also provide their own phone number, address, and you can go for a live chat as well. Their social media is also given right here. You will find the agents, affiliates, and you will also find different insurance plans right here. So to get an idea that how much you are going to pay and how much you kind of like need to what's your estimated rate. So again, what you have to do is add your gender, birth date, height, weight, and zip code. So this is what you need to provide on Bestow. We saw that on our Haven Life, we needed to provide like our gender and our date of birth and everything. Here you also have to add your weight and your zip code. So let's add our information, and let's estimate. So you will simply add your information right here, and after that, what is going to happen is that they will simply provide you with your estimated plan. So what happens is the limitations that we have is 18 to 60 years old. That is for you will be eligible if you are over 18. Between 18 to 60, then they have 10 to 30% years terms, and then they also give you 1.5 million per rate insurances. So this is pretty good. And when we talk about the bestowed, one of the very important factor in both of these platforms, and especially on Bestow, is that you don't need any medical exam. That is one of the very things that we kind of like go for, and we're like, okay, so we have to go for a medical exam and you have to pass it and stuff like that. So on Bestow, you don't need to any exam, medical exam. It is 100% no medical exam term life insurance. So you can go ahead and apply it for your Bestow right now. You simply log in with your email address and set up your password, and after that you can simply go ahead and start your plan, get your plan with Bestow if you are between 18 to 60, and then you will have a secure future, of course. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you. I wanted to give you an overview about Haven Life and Bestow to help you make an informed decision about your life insurance. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.